Having a trauma kit is one thing, but putting the right components is another. This is the direct action response kit. This is the D.A.R.K kit that I designed specifically for traumatic injuries. When you buy one of these D.A.R.K kits, you're going to get a very compact unit that has quite a bit of capability. Up front, what we're going to have is the tourniquet, because the tourniquet is going to be rapidly accessible. We want this up front. We want it preferably, this is brand new in the wrapper, so I'm going to take this out of the wrapper to stage it. So we've got tourniquet access. This is a CAT Gen 7. You also have the ability to have a SOF-T Gen 5 in here as well. We have shears on the side. You can actually place them in the back through in a little concealed pocket here in the back. There's a shear retention strap. You can run it on either side. You can also choose to run a tourniquet pouch over here or over here, so you can actually run multiple tourniquets on this kit. Now, we've designed this to be to fit on PALS webbing. So this is a weave and tuck strap. This can fit on a standard belt. This can fit on any standard PALS webbing carrying device, or it can also carry it horizontally, as there's 1, 2, 3 straps on the back. Now let's get onto the inside. I designed this to be used under diminished fine motor function, so I can kind of caveman this thing open. Then I grab my elevator lanyard right here, and that elevates the pouch insert or the refill, which is vacuum sealed in a 6 mil thick bag. And we incorporated even a tear notch on that as well, that bag, so you can access it quickly and easily. Now, the contents of this is our civilian level kit, and that's relative to what kind of gauze is placed in the kit. This has got the 12-foot of bleeding control dressing from QuikClot. It's got a pair of halo-vented chest seals. It's got a nasal airway. It's got the emergency bandage, a compression bandage in there. It's got a pair of nitrile gloves, a mylar blanket, 12 feet of standard gauze, and a polycarbonate eye shield, all in this bundle of components. This is to keep you from having too much, and it gives you just enough to help stop the bleed, start the breathing, and treat for shock. So check out the D.A.R.K kit at darkangelmedical.com. If you want a lower profile version of this same type of kit, then you can look at the D.A.R.K Slim. All we've done is redesign the pouch to have the tourniquet pouch over here on the side versus on the front to allow for a more minimalistic profile. So this is the D.A.R.K with a tourniquet pouch on the front, and this is the D.A.R.K Slim with a tourniquet pouch on the side, available in multiple colors. You can check them out on our site. So get a kit, get trained, and be the difference.